Hi guys, welcome to my channel guys. Today we're gonna be uppotting our birds of paradise plant. It's been growing very nicely and it seems like it needs a little more space. We don't want it to lean on the side like that. So we took a higher one level pot. We will be putting some soil inside and then we're gonna use the stick to poke on the sides to loosen it up, so then we could get the plant out and put it inside the pot nicely without disturbing the roots, and then we could put some soil on the top. That's what we're gonna be doing. Let's start. A lot of soil. One more. I just want it to be all full for our plant. Let's start poking around. I'm over here now. Boom, 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 boom. Here's where it gets tight. My head. Ah! Okay, here, webby. I'll get that web away. Got enough to pick it up. Ooh! That's a big root. Yep. I was just waiting for you. I added a little tip of more and then spreaded them around. Okay. Yay! It's not heavy. Oh, it's so heavy. Oh.
Need help?
Nope. Hopefully not. There. That's watery. Maybe over there?
Yeah. No.
I'm ready for the next side.
Wait for it to see through. Wait.
I'll just go to the next side, the other one. That one. We missed it. Daddy, we didn't do that one. I can't do it with the water.
Enough.
This is heavy.
Water came.
Did it? Yep. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.